Hi, I'm Christopher, and in today's video, I'm going to explain you the different ways you can save places in the map view with just one click. So, first of all, if you hold click anywhere on the screen, you can drop a pin. And as you can see, when you drop a pin, we identify the exact location. If we're unable to know the location, then we put the coordinates. And there you can directly rename the pin that you've dropped. So for example, Tom's bar. And then when you save it, it automatically creates a place on that location with the default thumbnail. The other way you can then save something, there you go. The other way you can then save an item is by clicking on any place. As you can see, if you zoom in onto the map, you can see the different places of Google, which, as I've mentioned in the previous video, by going into settings, you can disable this. But if you click on any place, for example, this restaurant, Botafumeiro, as you can see, through an integration with Google Maps, we're able then to extract all the information about that place. So we identify the name, the type, that it's a restaurant, what is its exact address, telephone number, its Google rating, and its landing page. So as you can see, if I were to then save this place, it would then automatically create the following properties, enabling me then to search and filter by them or to have them within the node. And more importantly, it will automatically connect it to the topic restaurant. And if I want, it would automatically create its landing page, botafumeiro.es, and create a relationship to it. So if I were to then save it, as you can see then through the spinner here loading, it would then automatically then create it. And the third way you can then create any item through the map view is through the little search bar down here. So if you click on the search bar, essentially what we're doing here is a Google search of all of the places. So for example, if I were to write another restaurant in Barcelona, Valmesina, as you can see, as I'm typing, it automatically searches and auto-completes. I can then click on the item, so the restaurant La Valmesina. It drops the pin on the map, as you can see on the background, shows me the details about it. And in one click, I can then also save it, and it will automatically create it. So those are the three ways you can currently seamlessly create places in MyReach. So by dropping nodes through the Google search or on clicking on any place. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.